Most ERP systems have a decent way to handle shipping when using a common carrier. But what about that large segment of companies who rely on their own fleet of vehicles to get their products in the hands of their customers? Companies who make their own deliveries want to make sure the right products in the right quantities make it to the right customers at the right time. But if their delivery drivers don't have the proper tools to do their jobs right, the consequences can be really bad. With xkzero Mobile Commerce, companies that rely on self-delivery can now have the technology that they need to support everything their drivers need to be successful. Not only that, but xkzero Mobile Commerce has everything you need to optimize all the logistics that go into creating a perfect delivery plan every time. Best of all, xkzero Mobile Commerce is designed by ERP experts to create one version of the truth. So as you scale and your needs expand, xkzero Mobile Commerce has the flexibility and power to grow with you. For more information about how xkzero Mobile Commerce can empower your mobile delivery and sales needs, contact xkzero today.